The lift-type dual-temperature zone vacuum furnace is here. The two temperature zones of the lifting platform are independently controlled, and the high and low temperatures can be adjusted as desired. Sintering, brazing, annealing, coating growth, etc., can be carried out in an atmosphere or vacuum state. Equipped with a rotating lifting structure, the material can rotate upwards for more uniform heat treatment, and the lifting speed and rotation speed can be preset. The full touch-screen operation is convenient, and multiple process curves can be preset to avoid repetitive and tedious operations. Temperature, furnace size, gas path, vacuum degree and other configurations can all be changed.